Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to whitelist AOL Mail. If you want to whitelist a sender in AOL Mail, then the process is quite easy, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video. First of all, open the AOL application on your preferred device. In today's video, I'm using my iPhone. Once you open up the AOL Mail app, make sure to sign into your account by entering your correct credentials. After you end up in the inbox page for AOL Mail, simply tap on the inbox drop-down and select the spam option. Once you open up this spam folder, go ahead and select the email you want to mark as a whitelist or not a spam. Once you select the email, tap on More at the bottom right and tap on Not Spam. Soon after you do that, the email will now be marked as not spam and you will also be whitelisting the sender. By whitelisting a sender, you are telling the mail app that emails from this sender are safe and they will appear in your inbox instead of being filtered into the spam or the junk folder. So that is the only way you will be able to whitelist an AOL email. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.